Exposing the secrets of multiphase flow modeling in ANSYS Fluent. Get ready to revolutionize your CFD skills. Whether you're a student or a seasoned professional, understanding multiphase flows is crucial. Our course breaks down the complexities into bite-sized, digestible modules, making advanced concepts easy to grasp. Dive into the world of VOF, Eulerian, mixture, and wet steam models. Learn how to simulate everything from oil-water separation to steam condensation. With practical examples and expert guidance, you'll be modeling real-world scenarios in no time. What sets us apart? We offer geometry and mesh files, comprehensive training videos, and direct access to our CFD experts. Plus, at the incredible price of just $299, it's a steal compared to the original $1,100. Ready to elevate your CFD game? Click Add to Cart now and unlock the secrets of multiphase flow with ANSYS Fluent. For any questions or custom requests, contact us via email, online support, or WhatsApp. Let's turn complexity into clarity, one simulation at a time. Join us today.